Hello dear students, welcome to the Financial Accounting Partnership. Partnership related to this chapter, I already prepared 4 videos. That link is given in the description box. Probably 3-4 months back I have prepared this. I just stopped it because I was having lack of material. During Diwali shopping I purchased material. So prepared non-trading accounts and also started partnership account. Everything is related to the material. Anyway, so my dear students, let me tell you, partnership accounts are quite easy. Many people are feeling difficult, nothing to worry. Very easy. Only the thing is you have to understand the concept. I am here to explain, don't worry. Slowly we'll go ahead, but we'll complete it. Okay. Now let me give you a recap of the previous classes, 4 classes. Partnership means two or more than partners together want to start any business, that is called as partnership. So all the rules and regulations, they write it in the partnership deed, like how much capital they have to bring, what is the capital interest on capital, drawings, interest on drawings, commission, salary, and admission of the partner, retirement of partner, like all the rules and regulations, they write it in the partnership deed. According to that they'll proceed it. Now for preparing these partnership accounts, you must know one is profit and loss appropriation account. How do we prepare this profit and loss appropriation account? This profit and loss appropriation account will prepare after profit and loss account, after P&L account. You know P&L account, final accounts, trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet, final account, simple. The same P&L account. Once if you prepare this, you can go for profit and loss appropriation account. Here we'll be getting profit or loss. If it is a profit, debit side. If it is loss, credit side. Net profit debit, net loss credit we used to get, right? The same one will be transferring to the profit and loss appropriation account. If we get a net profit, it's on the debit side. So we'll be transferring here credit side. Net profit, credit side. If we get net loss is on which side? Credit side. Credit means debit side of profit and loss appropriation account will transfer. With this, we'll start this profit and loss appropriation account. Am I clear? Next, what else we'll write? Debit side, any amount is to be paid to the partners will write, because it's expenses for the partnership firm. What do we pay to the partners? One is interest on capital, another one is commission or salary. These 3 things, it comes on the debit side. Apart from that, you will be writing another amount, that is general fund, reserve fund. This reserve fund, earlier we used to write it in the profit and loss account debit side and balance sheet liability. In partnership, rather than here, we'll be writing into the appropriation account. Not required here. Appropriation account debit side. And as usual, balance sheet liability side will write. This is about debit side. And credit side, what do we write? And you know that net profit or net loss will be transferred. Apart from that, credit side you'll write interest on drawings. It's a profit. It's an income for the partnership firm. That is why interest on drawings credit side. Interest on capital debit. Interest on drawings credit. That's all. We'll take a problem. So easy for you to recollect and practice. What is this? ABC are partners sharing profits and losses equally with share capital of 50,000, 40,000, 30,000. Their share capital is this much. Okay. The profits for the, and remember this, profits and losses are sharing equally. That you have to remember. And the profit for the year ended 31st March 2015 amounted to 56,000. Means the profit is 56,000. This profit and loss account profit is 56,000 is given. Debit means credit we are going to write. Before allowing interest on capital 8%. Interest on capital 8% will allow. Before allowing means this is given. We are going to allow interest on capital. Debit side will write because it's an expenses. And salary to A 6,000 debit side. Commission to C expenses debit side. Interest on drawings and drawings amount is not given. Anyway, we'll ignore it. Whatever is given, we'll take that. Profit and loss appropriation account will start with the net profit. By net profit. How much is given? 56,000. And interest on capital debit side. Capital to A, B and C. 8% on 50,000. 50,000 means it comes 4,000. Next 8% on 40,000. 3,200. 8% on 30,000. 8 3s are 2,400. Next salary to A. To salary to A. How much it is? 6,000. Next commission to C. $4,000. That's all. Nothing is there, so we can just close this. Closing credit side is more. How much profit we are going to get? We'll just calculate it. 56,000 minus this is 7,200 minus 10,400. 38,400. So this is to be shared equally. So net profit can say transferred to capital account. A, B, C. 38,400 divided by 3 equally, no? So 3. 38,400 divided by 3. 12,800. So 12,800 we got it. We'll check it out once again, this net profit. Net profit is 56,000. 8% on 50,000. 4,000 clear. 40,000 into 8%. 3,200 okay. And 30,000 into 8%. 2,400 okay. Salary to A 6,000. Salary commission to C 4,000. And that's all. We'll check it out, this calculation once again. 56,000 minus 4,000 minus 3,200 minus 2,400 minus 6,000 plus 4,000, 10,000. 36,400. Oh sorry, I have written 38,400. 36,400 divided by 3. It's 12,13 we are getting. 12,133. ₹1 extra, no? So we'll give it to C. 134. If you total up, it should be 36,400. Okay. So this is the profit. Now capital account. We'll start with the capital amount. Capital amount is 50, 40, 30. What do we write? By balance brought down. 50, 40, 30. 50,000, 40,000 and 30,000. Apart from this, simply from profit and loss appropriation account will transfer this debit to credit. Okay, what is their interest on capital? $4,000, $3,200, $2,400. Interest on capital is over. Next, salary will transfer. Salary to whom? Only A, 6,000. Others no salary. And commission to C only. C is 4,000. And also profit, debit to credit. What do we write? By profit and loss appropriation account, means from the appropriation account we are getting. Profit and loss appropriation account. 12,133, 12,133, 12,134 will total up 3, 4, here 5, and this is 8, 48,534. And this one 3, 5 and 5, 55,333. And this is 2 means 10, 2, 6, 7, 72,133. Okay, so this is to be transferred to balance carried on. Same amount, 72,133. $55,333. $48,534. That's all. You can just take a screenshot or note down. Calculations, be careful. We know the problem. We can work out small calculations which makes a lot of difference. As I have done 36,400 something I have written, so profit is gone and transferring to this accounts, everything. So that is why 2 times check it. And if I make any mistake in calculations, don't mind. Problem is pakka, sure. Okay. So method is important. Stay connected. In the coming classes, I am going to teach in depth. Next class, shall we see interest on drawings? Interest on capital is, interest on drawings calculation, you need to be very careful. That I'll teach you. Then after that, we'll work out final problems, and also we'll see admission of partner, retirement of partner, death of partner, insolvency of partner. All these things we'll see. But stay connected. Go to the playlist. There are many chapters I already covered. Find out whatever is useful. You use it and also share these videos so that other students also will get the benefit. Your juniors or seniors, whoever it may be. So thank you everyone. I wish you have a wonderful career. Good luck.